this episode of Gardener Gone Wild, and also this episode of A Duck Pond. And today we have a duck pond, and notice it is missing something. That something is dirtiness. The reason why it's missing, dirtiness, is because there haven't been people. So basically, when you have a dirty duck pond and exclude people for a while, you get a nice clean duck pond full of lots of happy ducky cakes. Woohoo! So as you can see, we've got some new friends in here. Say hello to the 3 white duckies. Of course, we have all our favourite residents here as well, including, the brown duckies. We've got mummy duck and we've got boily duck, and here come 2 white ducks. Look like a ducknado to me. And we also have lots of pigeons. They don't look too overfed right now. So you can see there's lots of duck chaos going on, which always makes it more interesting. There's a whole bunch just earlier, but I just missed it on the camera, unfortunately. Yeah. So you can see the ducks are very happy right now. So, if you haven't exactly reached that conclusion yet, which I don't blame you if you haven't, we're at the duck ponds in Wellington Botanical Gardens. And what do we have here? What happens when you don't have people for a while? So the conclusion is, keep people away and sometimes things will be a lot better. We even have diving duckies! Just watch them all day, couldn't you? Woohoo! Yet again, it's hard not to watch them all day.